Hi all, Dilas here again. Just a short, quick how-to video that hopefully will help some people out. So as I showed in a previous video, I had broken off the filament guide and it left a round 3D printed piece inside of the rail of the printer, and it was broken off flush, so there wasn't an easy way to pull it out. The way I came up with trying to remove it was to take a nail and heat it up with a match or any other flame, but basically get it hot enough that I could press it into the plastic. One tip, make sure you hold the nail with some pliers, otherwise you could blister your fingers. Not that I did that the first time or anything. But you don't have to get it too hot if you're using, this is PLA I'm printing with, which has a very low melting point. So you don't have to get it red hot or anything, but just warm enough or hot enough that it'll push into the plastic. Apologize for the smoke here. I had blown out the match and wasn't sure what else to do with it, so I was holding on to it and also fumbled a little bit because I was trying not to get in the way of the camera. But you just want to press it far enough into the plastic that it will have a pretty good bite and then let it cool. I let it cool about 5 minutes, but probably a few minutes would be enough. But you just want to let it get cool to the touch. And then what you can do is just pull it straight out. Probably pliers are the best bet, but just you don't want to bump it too much. I did bump it there, but just try and pull it directly out. As long as there's not too much friction, it should pull out okay. Your mileage may vary, but hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching and have fun.